All right, guys, it's working now. All right, so we went over long division today, so I'm just going to kind of go over one that gives you a remainder, but just for the pattern. Remember, we're dividing the first terms, so we're going to take x squared and we're going to divide it by x, which is that one there. Oops, I left this one out. Okay, and so if I divide the first term here by the first term here, I get x squared divided by x, which is x. That puts me at the placeholder right there of x. So we divide, now we multiply. Multiply x times x, which is x squared, x times 5, which is 5x. Now from there, we have to subtract both of these. So we subtract this one, and if I subtract this one, it's going to change the sign. So this is going to become a negative. So these cancel, that's my whole goal. 7x minus 5x gives me 2x. I bring down my other placeholder. Okay, so now from there, I've got to take my first term, which is this one here, because I canceled this first term out. I got to take this first term, divide it by the first term of the binomial that's in front. Those become 2, and this will be plus 2. Now I multiply 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 5 is 10. So this is going to be plus 10. But I have to subtract them, so I change their signs. Those cancel, and I get 5. I have a remainder of 5. So when I divide x plus 5 into this polynomial, I get x plus 2 plus 5 over x plus 5. That's my remainder. Okay? So don't forget our pattern. Divide, multiply, subtract. Divide, multiply, subtract. That's my remainder. Okay, so that's the way you do it for long division. So let's tackle synthetic division. Same problem. Synthetic division is a little different. I set the factor out front equal to 0. X equals -5, so I get -5. And then I bring down the coefficients. 1, 7, 15. And then let's say I have, this one's always a 0. So I bring down the 1, I get 1. 1 times -5 is -5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 times -5 is -10. 15 minus 10 is 5. We add down the columns and we multiply, and we put it here. We add down the columns, we multiply, put it here. Okay, so now this becomes 1 power less, so I got 1x plus 2 plus the remainder over the factor. Same exact answer, just a different way to do it. That's synthetic, okay? So one more quick thing about your guys' assignment that I want you guys to see is this. So if I have something like 6x x to the 6th plus 3x to the 4th plus 12x squared plus 9 all over, let's make this an x, all over 3x, okay? So just remember that a fraction means we're dividing. So really what this is saying is I have 6x to the 6th over 3x plus 3x to the 4th over 3x plus 12x squared over 3x plus 9x over 3x. So I'm dividing this into each one of these. So when they cancel out, that's going to become 2. X to the 6th divided by x is x to the 5th plus those become 1. X to the 4th divided by x is x to the 3rd plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. X squared divided by x is x. 9 divided by 3 is 3. X divided by x becomes 1. That is my answer. So when you see something like this, remember it's division, but we're not doing long division or anything like that. We're just saying we're taking the denominator and we're dividing it by each piece of the numerator. We're factoring it is the idea. All right, guys, there's a quick video.